Good morning, dear students. Today we will continue our 7th unit test measurement and evaluation. Here, body mass index (BMI). So, what is body mass index (BMI)? BMI stands for body mass index. This formula and index was formulated by Belgian Quetelet. So, this formula was formulated by Belgium Quetelet. This fitness testing is used to measure body composition on the basis of weight and height. On the basis of weight and height, it is used to measure the composition of body. Okay, BMI helps a person to know whether he is underweight, normal weight, or overweight. Thus, accordingly, diet and workout can be done to gain or to reduce weight. Okay, if we know BMI that we are underweight or overweight or normal weight, then we can decide to reduce or to gain our weight by workout. Okay, by diet and workout. Here purpose to measure the general health of individual by body composition. Test administration. What is test administration here? In this testing or index, the health and fitness abilities of individual is based upon the relationship of height and weight. Okay, so here you can decide, or anyone can decide, the fitness that is based upon the relationship of height and weight. Here height is considered in meter and centimeter. Okay, weight is considered in kilogram and gram. So BMI is calculated by taking person's weight in kg and gram. Okay, if we want to find out the BMI, it is decided by taking person's weight in kilogram and gram and dividing by height. That is in meter and centimeter square, or you can say weight is divided by height into height. Or here the formula of BMI, to find out BMI, the formula is given weight in kg upon height in meter square. Okay, so for example, how to find the BMI? For instance, if your height is 1.82 meter, the divisor of the calculation will be 1.82 into 1.82. Here height is multiplied. Okay, and then equal 3.3124. If your weight is 70.5 kg, then your BMI is 21.3. Okay, that means 70.5 is divided by 3.3124. Evaluation of test. Higher the figure, the more overweight this person. This is just a guide to know overweight containing body. This test can be preventive steps towards obesity. Scoring here. Scoring of the BMI for men and women. Okay, so here underweight range less than 20. So for that is for men. So if the BMI of any individual, he is underweight. Okay, and if any women is less than 19 in BMI, she is underweight. Healthy range 20 to 25 for men, 19 to 24 women, and overweight range 26 to 30 for men and 25 to 30 for women. Obesity range more than 30 for men and more than 30 for women. Okay, and then in the next we will see how to find out BMI, or how to know we are underweight, overweight, or normal weight. Okay, by this graph you can understand. Here obesity BMI is 30 and above, overweight BMI 25 to 30, normal and a BMI 18.5 to 25, and if any individual is underweight, BMI 18.5. So by height and weight we can find that he is underweight, normal, overweight or obese. Here in centimeter, height is given in centimeter without shoes, in centimeter, feet and inch also. So if any person is here 147 centimeter and his weight is 45.4, then here that is underweight. Okay, he is underweight and his BMI is 18.5. If any person's height is 178 centimeter and his weight is 72.6, then his BMI is he is underweight, his BMI is 8.5 and he is underweight. If any person's height is 157 centimeter and his weight is 90.7 kilogram, then he is around overweight. Okay, and his BMI will be 25 to 30. If any person's weight is 99.8 kilogram and his height is 163 centimeter, then he is overweight and his BMI is overweight. Okay, sorry, overweight is here, overweight, and his BMI will be 25 to 30. So in this way we can find out any person or any individual, either men and women, he is underweight, normal, overweight or obese. Next, waist hip ratio. So what is waist hip ratio? WHR means waist to hip ratio. This is the ratio of circumference of waist to that of the hips. Here purpose to determine the ratio of waist to hip circumference related to risk of health. So then test administration. It is calculated by measuring the smaller circumference of the waist above the belly. If we want to measure the circumference of waist, we have to measure above the belly. Okay, it is calculated by measuring the smaller circumference of the waist above the belly and dividing by the hip circumference at the waist part of buttocks or hip. Then the ratio is applied both to men and women. It is for both men and women. The ratio is applied for both. And then evaluation of test. WHR is good indicator of health and attractiveness of a person. The ratio around 0.7 is considered good and health among women, whereas the ratio at around 0.9 is considered health among men. Okay, so 0.7 that is for men, that ratio for women, and 0.9 that is ratio for men, ratio of hip and waist. These persons have less chances of health problems like diabetes, cardiovascular disorder, cancers, etc. And these persons will also look attractive.